Ever feel like you're drowning in duplicate data, unsure how many times each item actually appears? Today, we're diving deep into Excel to conquer those repeating entries and count exactly how many times each one shows up. First, I've got a sample list of data here. Let's imagine this is a list of products sold. We want to know, for example, how many times widget appears. To do this, we'll use a powerful function called COUNTIF. Click into the cell next to your first data point. For me, that's cell B1. Now, type an equals sign to start the formula, then COUNTIF, followed by an opening parenthesis. The first part of COUNTIF is the range we want to look in. Since we want to check our entire list in column A, we can simply select the whole column by clicking on the column header. This tells Excel to consider every cell in column A. After the range, type a comma. The second part of COUNTIF is the criteria. What exactly are we looking for? We want to count how many times the item in this very row appears in our list, so click on the cell containing your first data item, which is A1 in my case. Now, close the parenthesis and press enter. Voila! Excel now tells us how many times widget appears in our column. To apply this to all your duplicate entries, simply click on the cell with the result B1 for me and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to the end of your data column. And there you have it, a clear count of every duplicate in your data, making analysis and error checking a breeze.